I'm very grateful that at my last market quite a lot sold, but it has meant that I've needed to make a lot for my next market, which is tomorrow. And I thought I'd show you all the stuff I made because there's a decent amount of it for a week's work. Everything is in this bag, and let's go. Off with the most recent two things I made. I finished these today. They were started a while ago, but yeah. And it is two flamingos. This one uses Premier Basics Chanel. I never remember what the yarns are called. Yarn, and this one uses Premier Parfait Chunky. I intend on making a flamingo in this colour as well, and I want to make some key rings in this, or in all the colours, but for now. I will be making a small plushie in this, a flamingo in this pink as well, because the small plushies are usually pretty popular. And then we have this bunny. This is my pattern, and so are the flamingos, but this is my pattern. It's my Toffee Bunny pattern, and the original pattern has the option to have forget-me-nots tangled in the ears, but I decided to just do it as is for this one. Might as well show you the other bunny, and we have this one here, the rainbow one. Kind of love it. I have more of this yarn. I'm hoping to make, I'm not sure actually, maybe I'll make another bunny. I put like a small one out of it, so if someone really likes this but their parents are like, no, it's too expensive because it's a big one or whatever, they can get a small version instead, maybe. And then we have Peas in a Pod. This is by By Fay, and it's become a bit of a staple for me at markets. The peas come out the pod, which people seem to really like, and even if it doesn't sell at every single market, I think I've made 3 or 4 of these now. People come over to it, like it draws people into my booth, which we love, and it's really sweet when people walk over and they're like, oh, it's me and you, 2 peas in a pod. I love it. And then we have 2 elephants, again with the Premier Basics yarn and the parfait, so you can kind of see the size difference. These are my pattern, or this is my pattern, and there is an option to put a flower in the trunk, but I have decided not to because it's just easier and some people don't want it. We have got this bear that kind of looks a little bit evil. I don't love the eyes, but I get people ask for them without the safety eyes, which is totally valid, so I've got one option now. It really looks evil on camera and it doesn't look like that in real life, but on camera it kind of is a demon. It's okay, it's spooky season, we like villains. I have got 2 snakes, which is the pattern by By Fay. I don't really have a lot to say. I never have a lot to say about this. I didn't expect the green one I made to sell as fast as it did at my last market, so I'm hoping that these then are popular, because it was, I think, one of the first things to sell. So I made 2 this time. We'll see. I think these ones are way cooler because it's the like tie-dye yarn. Got a big giraffe. This is a staple at my markets, and I know I have some already, but the big bright yellow is great, and I like recently updated the pictures and just everything for my pattern for this, so this let me get some photos. This uses Premier Parfait Plush. Is it Parfait Plush? The new like bigger version, and I used a 6mm hook. It is bigger than my, quite a bit bigger than my, although it does have a neck. And we have this cow, because cows are kind of a staple on my market booth, and it's cute. The other one sold, which, like, thank you. But you needed replacing. At my last market, possums flew out, and usually I will bring like a few, or 1, maybe 2, to each market, and then a couple micros, and like 1 will normally sell. I made 6. So I don't think I'm gonna sell out anytime soon, hopefully. Well, that'd be cool, but I've got 6 possums coming with me to my market, we'll see. And then I'm not really sure why I made 3 lions, but I thought I would. I don't usually make multiples of the same thing for the same market because I like to do different things or different colours at least for the same pattern, but the possums felt like a must, and then I had enough of this gold yarn to make 3 lions, so I decided why not. And then we have 3 axolotls. I thought I'd make a real axolotl. This is Jen's Crafty Creations, and then I made this in the same one as the bear because I had just about enough yarn, which was a bit scary because I thought I was going to run out. Then I started making this one last No, I started making this one a few weeks ago and I ran out of yarn, and I just last week got a yarn delivery, so this one got finished. I don't make usually the same things. We have 2 polar bears, purely because this one was a work in progress that I finished, and last market someone actually asked me for a polar bear and I did have one, and I'm pretty sure it sold. And then I had more of this, like, because I use a cream yarn for polar bears, and I had more of it. I was like, I might as well make another one. I'm planning on making some little polar bear head key rings as well, because I have enough to make maybe 2 or 3 key rings, so that will hopefully work out. And then following the same trend, apparently I was just very uninspired yesterday when I made 2 red cardinals in this, like, dark red. This was to use up the last of that yarn because I don't have any more, and I didn't want just a tiny bit sitting around, so I thought I would chance it and make a second cardinal. Yeah, a lot of people walk over and they'll ask me if these are angry birds, or they'll just be like, an angry bird. They're not, but I see why people think that. This pattern and a lot of my small plushie patterns are by Haru Crochets, if that is how you say it. Love those patterns, they're great for small, quicker projects. And then we have a tiger, or a orange cat. It's very orange. I'm pretty sure this yarn, the orange yarn, is by that Crafty Stitch, which is a UK small business, and I absolutely love her yarn. I'm sad that I didn't like buy a bunch when I was in the UK and bring it back with me. I just didn't have the case space. And this pattern is mine. It is a little octopus pattern. It's nothing too crazy. I think everyone has an octopus pattern. I have not released it. I may try and make some more of these because I think I sold quite a few of them last time. I apparently was having a penguin frenzy yesterday because I also made some micro penguins, but they're not finished. So we have this cute little mint green one. Don't know if that counts as mint green. This ugly little green one because I just don't like green very much unless it's a mint green. This blue one with light yellow feet. This blue one with bright yellow feet. And this purple one, which is my favourite. Depending on time and yarn, I think I'm going to make a grey baby penguin and maybe a pink one as well, potentially. And then I only made 2 ducks this time because I just haven't had time at the minute, I guess. And I think I still have a decent number of these left because I made like 10 of them for my market a couple of weeks ago. And I'm pretty sure there was at least 3 left, so that will take us up to 5, which is a nice number. I also haven't made any chickens. I think I still have chickens, at least 1 in stock. I may end up making 1 white chicken depending on time. And then I think I have 37 key rings if I counted correctly. Starting with this little penguin. I hate it. Got a little mushroom. Got 3 ghosts. Feel like I maybe should have made more because we're getting quite close to spooky season, but 3 is the... I've got 4, no. I have 4 penguins, but this is a chicken. I did 3 blue ones and a purple one. Can't find out what way up they go. And then this is a chicken. I have multiple. I found the purple one and the other chicken. I guess I have 2 chickens. So that's... And then we have 5 foxes because I wanted to make a big fox, but I didn't have enough black yarn, so we only have little foxes. All the other key rings I've made so far are octopus. It's don't know. So I've got these in like this red, white and blue kind of pink yarn. I've got 5 of these. And then I made a solid purple one. I made a little rainbow one, a pastel rainbow one. It's like sea life kind of colours. I love this yarn so much. And then we have 2 like sunset ones. And then these are all from the same variegated yarn, but the colour changes weren't like as fast as I would have liked. So I'm not sure how many there are. What have we got? I think there's 5 in this hand. And I have a whale shark that I'm hoping to finish today, another plushie that I haven't quite decided what it's going to be. I think I'm going with koala, and it's in like a rainbow yarn. And then yeah, I'm hoping to make some small flamingos, at least one small flamingo. Hopefully some key rings for flamingos and bears. Maybe not flamingos though, because I don't want to make the legs. Just maybe bears and ducks, maybe. Oh, I almost forgot about this guy. I made a little warm hug snowman, and his little arms can actually kind of give you a warm hug if that's what your heart desires. This is my pattern, and I released it this week, I think. Yeah, that is everything I made so far through like Monday through today, Friday. I do have some micro keyrings, but like I said, I haven't finished them yet, and I'll finish them at my market. There's definitely 2 possums, I think, 2 ducks, I meant 2 penguins, and we will see what I get done at the market, because I should get some made. Now I need to go prep my bags, because I got new bags delivered yesterday and I need to stick my branding on the front of them, which will take a little while, and hopefully they then have time to make more little plushies.